Everyone thinks life changes with big decisions, but sometimes it's the smallest choice that quietly bends your entire future. High in the hills, where narrow paths cut through grasslands and the wind carried stories instead of noise, lived a young shepherd named Ali. His days were simple. He guided sheep, fixed broken fences, and watched the sunrise and fall over the same horizon. People said his life was already decided. Shepherd today, shepherd tomorrow, they joked. Even Eli believed it. One evening, as he led his flock home, he noticed a fallen wooden sign near a fork in the path. One arrow pointed left, toward the village. The village path was familiar, safe, predictable. The mountain path was quiet, almost forgotten. Ellie stood there longer than usual. This was the pivot point. Though he didn't know it yet, that night, a storm arrived without warning. Rain poured, wind howled, and Ellie had to choose quickly. The village path was longer but known. The mountain trail was shorter but uncertain. For the first time in his life, Ellie chose differently. He turned toward the mountain. The path was rough. Stones slipped under his feet. His sheep hesitated. Fear crept in. Turn back, his mind whispered. But something stronger answered, keep going. When he reached a small abandoned shelter near dawn, exhausted but safe, Eli realized something important. He had trusted himself. That choice didn't change his life overnight, but it changed him. Days later, Eli began taking the mountain path more often. He discovered hidden springs, rare herbs, and safer grazing grounds untouched by others. Soon, villagers noticed his sheep were healthier, stronger. They asked him how. Eli shrugged. I just chose another way. Word spread. Travelers started asking Eli to guide them through the mountains. One decision led to another. Shepherd became guide. Guide became protector of paths. Protector became leader. Years later, a new trade route formed because Eli once refused the familiar route. Only then did he understand the truth. Life doesn't change loudly, it changes quietly. At the moment you choose courage over comfort, the storm was never the turning point, the choice was. So, dear listeners, this story tells us your future is not shaped by one big decision, it's shaped by the small choice you make no one is watching.